How to fix playback speed not working on YouTube. To fix YouTube playback speed not working, here's the quick and safe solution. Step 1. Update YouTube. Open Play Store, App Store. Search YouTube, tap Update. Old versions can cause playback issues. Step 2. Clear Cache, Android. Go to Settings, Apps, YouTube, Storage, Clear Cache. Restart the app iPhone. Reinstall the app to clear temporary data. Step 3. Check browser version, desktop. Make sure your browser is updated. Try Chrome or Edge. Disable extensions that might block video controls. Step 4. Use desktop or app. Some mobile browsers don't support playback speed. Use YouTube app on Android iPhone, desktop browser. Step 5. Restart device. Sometimes a simple restart fixes the issue. Important notes. Playback speed only works for videos uploaded normally, not some live streams or shorts. Avoid modded apps claiming fixes. They may harm your account. Final summary update app. Clear cache. Use supported browser restart device. Check video type. This fixes the playback speed problem safely and quickly.